There's an old-school sound on East Passyunk Avenue these days. The once mighty typewriter is making a comeback.
It's just a steady stream. People bringing in machines, and we're sitting in the basement, sitting in the garage.
Just as some people are experts on old cars, 68-year-old Brian Kravitz knows vintage typewriters.
The most unique part about this one is the keyboard. It's a Cyrillic Russian keyboard.
He grew up in Philadelphia in a family of hot dog stand owners.
My father was Lenny of Lenny's Hot Dogs.
He was supposed to take over the family business, but at age 18, he headed to California and made a career working in communications and sales.
Here's something from the 20s or 30s.
Until one day, he stumbled into the world of typewriter repair.
These are precision like watches.
And loved it so much, he enrolled in trade school.
And this man took me under his wing. The first night of the class, he gave me a manual, an IBM Selectric manual.
The Selectric has 2,500 different parts.
It was incredible engineering design went into this machine. A good secretary said, "There's no Selectric here, I won't work here."
Kravitz now mentors school children, connecting the next generation to a simple satisfaction.
I like the typewriter. When I write a sentence and I put a period, it dings.
And he runs an apprentice program out of his shop.
A lot of these were people's grandparents' machines, and hopefully we'll pass it on to grandkids.
He's tapping into the so-called digital burnout.
It's kind of my generation saying, we'll slow down a little bit more.
To keep a piece of history alive.
The revolution will be typewritten.